A perimeter bug barrier prevents pests from ever crossing into living spaces, rather than chasing them around the house. A well-installed outdoor barrier targets entry points and reduces insect pressure by using barrier placement, granular or liquid applications, and timed reapplications to break pest life cycles before they reach the structure. Focus treatments along foundation lines, under eaves, around door thresholds, and near utility penetrations where insects concentrate. Keep soil to foundation gaps sealed and remove debris that provides harborage. Use products labeled for perimeter use and follow label concentration and dwell time recommendations. Measure and mark treated zones so reapplication intervals are consistent and compliant with the label. Calibrate your sprayer or spreader so you apply the exact rate recommended, which avoids undertreating that fails or overtreating that wastes product and can harm beneficials. Combine the barrier with landscape modifications such as trimming plants away from siding and replacing dense mulch with rock or well-drained materials to lower humidity and reduce breeding sites. Monitor results with simple passive indicators like sticky cards or by documenting sightings so you can adjust timing or placement rather than guessing. Common mistakes include treating only when pests are visible, which lets populations establish outdoors first, so schedule preventive treatments on a regular interval based on product label and local pest pressure. Applying product too thinly or missing gaps is another frequent problem, so measure application rates, map treated areas, and inspect for missed spots at foundation joins and utility penetrations. Relying solely on indoor spot treatments often hides the source and leads to repeated treatments. Use spot treatment indoors only for hotspots while maintaining the outdoor barrier to stop new incoming pests. We at bighomeprojects.com help homeowners compare approaches and find local contractors who offer perimeter barrier services and indoor follow-up so they can choose an integrated strategy that fits their property. Our discussion community lets homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences, ask practical questions, and refine plans together.